Hey guys, this is Rachel with Cypress Textiles, and today we're going to make a really simple square, the Nicolas square from the 2016 Vibrant Vintage Crochet Along, or VVCAL. So I started with a slip knot, and I'm going to go ahead and chain 3. You can chain 4, or you can make a magic ring, whatever you prefer. Now I'm going to slip stitch into the 3rd chain from the hook to make my ring. And then straight into the ring, you're gonna make a beginning treble crochet. So how I make the first treble of the round is by just going straight into the ring. I don't chain up or anything for a single. So just go straight into your ring with a single crochet and then chain 2. And that's gonna be the first treble of the round for this pattern. Okay, so now you're gonna make in the same, all in the ring, 3 double crochet, and then a treble, and that's going to be your repeat. You're going to make that 3 times, and then you'll do 3 more double crochet, and then you'll be at the beginning. So we're going to do 3 double crochet in a treble 3 times total, and that's going to give us 4 treble crochets altogether, and then we'll make 3 more doubles and we'll be at the beginning. So I'll show you guys how that looks whenever I'm finished with mine. Okay, so here's what I mean. I have my 3 repeats of 3DC treble. There's my first treble here, and then my second, and there's my third. And of course the 4th one is the very first one we made, that beginning treble. And now in order to finish this first round, I'm gonna make 3 more double crochet. So I just wanted to show you that in case that was confusing. So that's 3 more double crochet, and that finishes the round. So altogether you're gonna have 12 DC and 4 trebles. And the trebles are gonna act like the corner. That way you don't have any holes in the corner, and that's part of the look of the square. So to close the round, we're going to join with the slip stitch into our beginning treble. So you're gonna go into the 2nd chain, the top chain, with a slip stitch and let it rest over that stitch. And then straight into the same joining stitch, we're gonna make another beginning treble. So just go straight in with a single and 2 chains. So this is gonna start round 2. Now you'll make 2 double crochet in that same corner stitch. So you're working into that beginning treble from the previous round. All right, so that's part of our corner. We're gonna come around and finish this corner when we're done. Then across these 3 double crochet, you're gonna work a double in each of them. 1, 2, and 3. And now we're up to our corner treble. So how your corner is gonna look is 2 double crochet, and then a treble, and then 2 double crochet. So here's 2 doubles and a treble, and then 2 more doubles, all in that same corner treble stitch. All right, so that's our corner. So you can see we've kind of turned the corner there with those 5 stitches. All right, so now we're across these same 3 doubles again, and we're into a repeat. So just keep going, making a double in each of these 3, and then making your 2 DC treble, 2 DC corner. All right, and I'll see you guys when I'm at the beginning. Okay, so here's how my motif looks so far, and I'm back at the beginning. So I'm gonna show you how we complete this corner. Since I started in the center of this first corner, we have to put 2 more double crochet in it to complete it. So I'm just gonna work straight into that same treble, working over the slip stitch from before. So just go straight into that treble with 2 double crochet. Okay, and that's gonna be the end of the round. You just have to join. So join with the slip stitch into your corner treble stitch. All right, and now we're gonna work the next round really similar. You're gonna start with a beginning treble in the corner in the same stitch as the joining. So that's a single crochet and 2 chains, and then 2 double crochet in the same corner stitch. And now instead of just working across 3 doubles, you've got more doubles to work across here, but it's the same concept. So just make double crochet all the way across. This is a super easy square. You're just using singles, doubles, and chains. Oh, and trebles. So still super simple. All right, so just go all the way across with double crochet until you get to that treble corner, and then make your corner, which is 2 doubles, 1 treble, and then 2 more doubles. All right, and you're just gonna continue in this manner until you're back to the beginning. Just the same as the previous round, just more stitches on the side. All right, so my round 3 is nearly complete. I just need to make my 2 double crochet into that first corner. So we're just gonna do that just like we did with round 2. And now I'm ready to join with a slip stitch in the top of this corner treble. And now this round is a little different than the others. So we're still gonna work straight into the corner treble stitch, but we're gonna work a beginning DC. So just go straight in there with a single crochet and then chain 1. And that's gonna be the first DC of the round. So now we're gonna make a chain 3 because that's gonna be our corner. And then double crochet into the same corner stitch. Now chain 1 and skip 1, and then double crochet into the next stitch. All right, so chain 1, skip 1, DC in the next stitch. And you're gonna keep going, making these eyelets as you chain 1, skip 1, and DC. All right, chain 1, skip 1, DC. And once you get to the corner, you're gonna chain 1, skip 1, and then you're at your corner. So your corner is gonna be DC, chain 3, and DC. Okay, so on your side, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 double crochet, and then you've got your corner, DC, chain 3, DC. Okay, so just make sure you work that way all the way around with your chain 1 space, and make sure you're skipping a stitch underneath. And I'll show you how it looks when I'm done with it. Okay, so my round 4 is done. It's kind of an eyelet round just for extra decoration. So you've got your last DC here, and I'm gonna chain 1, and then I'm just gonna join straight into this DC, this first DC of the round with a slip stitch. All right, so now we're gonna start in our corner chain space, and you're just gonna go straight into a beginning DC. So just go straight in with a single and then a chain 1. And now you're gonna make another double crochet in that same corner chain space, and then a treble. That's gonna be your corner stitch. And then 2 more doubles. So you're gonna have 5 stitches total in that corner chain space. All right, that's how it's gonna look right there. And now you're just gonna make a double crochet in all of the stitches across and all the chain spaces as well. So just make your DC in all of the DC and all of the chain spaces. Then when you get to your corner, you're just gonna do 2 double crochet, treble, 2 double crochet. All right, so just work that way all the way around so you get back to the beginning. Alrighty, so our second to last round is complete, and I just need to join to finish the round. So the first corner on this round is totally finished. I don't need to make any extra stitches in the corner or anything. So I'm just gonna join with a slip stitch into the beginning DC, going into that top chain with your slip stitch. And then our final round is just a single crochet round. So you're gonna make a single into the next stitch, and then into the corner stitch, you're actually gonna make 5 singles. So just put all 5 singles into that corner treble. And this is gonna make a nice sharp corner because our the 5 stitches in this corner kind of make it rounded. So you really gotta put those 5 stitches there just to make it sharp again. So now you're just gonna make a single crochet all the way across, and then every time you come to your corner treble, just put 5 single crochet in the corner. Okay, so my square is now complete. I went ahead and joined with the slip stitch in the first single of the round, and all I've got to do is just cut this long loop and weave in the yarn tail. And other than that, the Nicolas square is complete. This is from the 2016 VVCAL, and I've been using Scheepjes Softfun denim. So you can kind of see, if you can tell on camera, it has a sort of a sun-kissed denim look. So it's a Softfun denim, and this is a 4mm hook. And every week I've been posting these 2016 VVCAL videos, so I hope you enjoy them, and I'll see you for the next one.